In this guide, you'll learn how to use Google Calendar effectively so you can organize your time better, boost productivity, and easily manage both personal and work schedules. Google Calendar is simple to use, yet incredibly powerful once you understand its features, so let's walk through everything step by step. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google Calendar. Once you're inside, you'll notice a variety of views you can choose from, such as day, week, and month. Each view serves a different purpose. If you tend to have many appointments throughout the day view helps you focus on shorter, time-specific tasks. If you prefer seeing your overall schedule, the month view gives you a broader picture. Pick whichever option best suits the way you like to plan. After choosing your preferred viewing style, look at the visual time blocks on your screen. To create a new event, simply click the time slot where your activity begins. A small pop-up window will appear, allowing you to enter the details of your event. You can easily adjust the start or end time by dragging the edges of the event block or typing the specific times manually. Next, give your event a clear title and add any information you think will help you recognize it instantly. You can include a location, a short description, reminders, or attachments. Adding these details now means you won't have to search or guess later when reviewing your schedule. Once you're satisfied, click Save to lock the event into your calendar. Google Calendar also allows you to stay organized by separating your events into different categories. If you want to distinguish between work, personal, fitness, school, or other types of plans, you can create new calendars. To do this, look at the left side panel and find the section labeled Other Calendars. Click Add Other Calendars, then select Create New Calendar. You'll be asked to enter a name and description. Choose something meaningful so you can quickly identify what the calendar is used for. After giving your new calendar a name and description, finalize it by clicking Create Calendar. You've now successfully added a dedicated calendar that keeps specific types of events separate and easy to manage. This also helps visually, since each calendar can be assigned its own color, making your entire schedule clearer and easier to navigate. By following these steps, you'll quickly become more efficient at managing your daily routines, appointments, and long-term plans. Google Calendar is a powerful tool that keeps your life organized when used correctly. With consistent use, you'll find yourself staying on top of tasks, being more productive, and managing your time with ease. Happy scheduling!